Jaffe, universal health care. What do you think about it?
Well, I'm 150% in favor of universal health care. That's the short answer. When I've given some of these interviews, I tell people that the two most rare words in politics that you hear, the two most rare words are the words yes and no. So if you ask me, are you in favor of single payer health care? My answer is yes. You want me to elaborate? I'll be glad to do so.
Please do.
If you ask I know that. If you ask my opponent whether she's in favor of single payer health care, you'll get a 5-minute speech and no answer. So,
yeah, look. You said you're a novice, Jaffe, but you know how this game works. You know what they do.
Well, I'm not a novice at life, but I know, So I'll elaborate a little bit. First of all, the rest of the industrialized world, every country that is able to do it, adopts single-payer health care. All of Europe, okay? It's time for the United States to join the rest of the world in doing and providing universal health care for its residents. It is cheaper to do it. It is healthier for the people being taken care of to do it. People under those healthcare systems, particularly in the Scandinavian countries, they live longer, they are healthier, they are able to work less. And finally, for all the reasons, I guess there's two more things. One, the opponents of single-payer healthcare say, the taxes will go through the roof, it's going to be very expensive. Right. And yes, indeed, there may be a rise in taxes. But guess what? There won't be any more health insurance premiums for anybody to pay.
That's a beautiful thing.
It's going to be cheaper for the average person to have his taxes go up a little bit instead of paying these outrageous health insurance premiums that are being paid right now. So, and the last thing I want to say is the fallback position for people who criticize it the most is, oh, that's socialist. Mm-hmm. Oh, that's socialist. Well, we're all socialists in the United States. We have Medicare. We have Social Security. We have libraries, police departments, fire departments. Those are all the products of pooling the money together and spending it for the benefit of the people collectively. Socialism is not a dirty word. It's just a way of paying for things. It is not communism. It is not dictatorship. It's socialism. So I don't find that to be a dirty word. And we already have the machinery set up to do this. We have the Medicare system set up. Universal health care is nothing more than another way of saying it is Medicare for all. That's another way of saying it. So bring the rest of the people in, and we will solve many problems. So
yeah, absolutely, absolutely, man, absolutely. I hope they can hear that clap. Absolutely. I mean, I think that the mainstream media, not mainstream media, I'd say Republican media, right-wing media has made socialism seem like a bad thing. And you know what, to a certain extent, no, let me take that back. Democrats have too. In fact, when I saw you kicking the reality about socialism on Fox News, I was like, hold on, this is Fox News. Why haven't they had him on MSNBC or CNN? And let me just ask, have they had you on yet, Stephen?
No, and the reason I think they had me on Fox News is even though I'm a progressive Democrat, they dislike Ms. Pelosi more than they dislike me. And since I'm running against her, I guess they figure let's get the guy on who's running against someone we don't like.